Hello and welcome to the next video in the bonuses guide of Civilizations in Age of Empires 2 The Conquerors, and in this one we're looking at the Celts. So first of all I'll show you the unique unit for the Celts. It's a Road Raider, 65 food and 25 gold. So if I create one of those, they look like this. They look like they've got big MC Hammer trousers on and no top. Now they are quite fast. They're fast moving infantry, and that's one of their main bonuses. Now if I were to just quickly get a widget out, let's go up to the Imperial Age. If I get it fully upgraded, the Celts can get all of the blacksmith upgrades. So before, a Road Raider would have 65 hit points, 8 attack and 0-1 armour naturally. However, with the blacksmith they can go up to 12 attack, 3-5 armour. Now the Road Raiders also have an attack bonus against buildings. So if I see what the Elite Road Raider is, it costs 1000 food and 800 gold. So if I click that, they've now gone up to 80 hit points. They've gone 15 up. They've gone an extra 5 attack here, so they've now got 17 attack, which, 17 attack on something like this, and it's got a fairly decent hit points. They don't cost much, 65 food, 25 gold, and they move pretty quickly. It's pretty good, but they still remain on the same amount of armour. The Celts' unique technology is Fura Celtica, which gives all Siege Workshop units an extra 50% HP. Now depending on the unit, that is very useful. And Fura Celtica costs 750 food, 450 gold. So if you are going in a very big siege match, which the Celts are a good siege civilization, then Fura Celtica is a very good idea. Now it doesn't actually do it for the trebuchet, so you see the trebuchet there is 150 and it won't go up. But I'll show you the battering ram 175, mangonel 50 and scorpion 40. If I do Fura Celtica, see the trebuchets remained the same, but the battering ram's gone up to 263, mangonel's on 75 and scorpion is on 60. If you were to look at the upgraded siege units, so we've got the capped ram, onager and heavy scorpion with 200 hit points, 60 hit points and 50 hit points. So let's get Fura Celtica. 300 hit points as opposed to 200, 90 hit points as opposed to 60, and 75 as opposed to 50. If we looked at the final upgraded Siege Workshop unit, so here we have the Siege Ram, 270 hit points, and the Siege Onager, 70 hit points. So if we get Fura Celtica, they go up to 405 hit points and 105 hit points. Now the team bonus for the Celts is that Siege Workshop units are created 20% faster. So that's useful for a civilization like the Mongols if they were allied with the Celts, because the Mongols, their Siege Workshop unit can, if they get drill, their unique technology, they can actually get their Siege Workshop units to move 50% faster. And so by creating units 20% faster and then moving 50% faster, it's a very useful thing. Now you saw with the Road Raiders that they were a very fast moving infantry. One final upgrade of the another bonus of the Celts, I should say, is that their infantry move 15% faster. So this champion is currently moving at 15% faster than any other civilization would. If we head back to the Siege Workshop unit, I'm only doing it in the order that the book has it in so I don't lose my place. But another bonus of the Celts is that Siege Workshop units fire 20% faster. So that is definitely quicker than every other civilization I've seen. And I have a feeling that not only do the amount of time between each fire is quicker, I think the amount of time it takes to hit the ground is much quicker. That does seem to be a lot quicker actually. The final bonus of the Celts is that sheep are not converted in that if they are in at least one Celts unit's line of sight. So this sheep here is currently in the line of sight of this villager, and this cavalry archer has been going around, and you saw it a bit earlier on, go through this gap. Now theoretically that would convert the sheep to red, but it hasn't done that. So that's quite useful for the Celts. You could have a villager or a scout even just walking around, trying to, obviously scout out the area, and then you have a sheep beside him and another sheep beside him, and the scout could be going down in a line like that, and the sheep you could have here and here, so they would see just a little bit extra than the scout. So that's all the bonuses for the Celts. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, which shall be the Chinese.